There we go, click on the English version, and we're just going to put in the featured image of the day, which is a very good looking man, Nicky Fernandez. So I'm going to click on that, and what we're going to do is save that image to our computer. Before we do that, we have to make sure that we have the right to do so. Fortunately, all images on the Wikipedia page are in the Wikimedia Commons, and that means that we're allowed to share, copy, distribute, and transmit the work. Great. So I've right-clicked on that image, and you can see the option there for Save Image As. That's what we want to do. If you're using a different browser, you'll get a slightly different option, but it'll be broadly similar. So Save Image As. I'm going to click on the desktop to find the folder that we set up earlier. HTML. What I'm going to do is create a new folder within that one called Images, where we can save all the images that we need for our web pages. And I'm going to simply call it Man. The system will add the JPEG extension. You can see that it's a .jpg file, so that will get added automatically. Right, so how do we get that into our web page? Well, we use the img tag, which is obviously short for image. Now we need to tell the browser where to get this from. So we use the src instruction, which is short for source. So the src is the images folder /man.jpg. Simple as that. And just like the line break tag here, the image tag is self-closing. So we need to put a final slash at the end there. And that's our single image tag. Let's have a look, see if it works. There it is. Awesome. Now this is what's called a locally stored image. We're keeping it in the same folder, or at least a subfolder of where our index file is. We can also refer to an image which is on a completely different website. So let's take this image. This time I'm going to copy image URL. That's the location of the image itself on the web. So if I then select this, remove that, and paste in, so it's quite a long, complicated URL, but that's fine. I'm then going to save, go back to our web page, and excellent, we're actually loading that live from Wikipedia. Now there's a couple of other things that we can do with images. You can see that's a pretty large image. Maybe we want to make it a little bit smaller. Well, we can do that by adding a couple of parameters. The first one might be width. So we're going to decide what width we want this image to have. Now we measure our width, generally speaking, in pixels. I'll show you roughly what 100 pixels looks like. So let's start with width is equal to 100. In fact, we should put that in quotes. So width is equal to 100 means that it's going to be 100 pixels wide. Save that, refresh. Right, that's pretty small. That's like a thumbnail image. Maybe we want it a little bit bigger than that, maybe 200 pixels. Nice, that fits in quite well. Now what we can also do, maybe we want to control the height of the image. So I'm going to replace width with height, save, refresh. Now it's 200 pixels tall. You'll notice what the browser has done there very nicely is it's scaled it proportionally for us. But maybe we want to stretch it all out for some reason. So if we want to make it 200 pixels high and, I don't know, 500 pixels wide, we can save that, see what that looks like. It's done it. Fantastic. So that's how you add an image to your web page and control how tall and wide you want it to be.